What do you get when you put together a coastal town, access to ancient sites, and a view of the Mediterranean? In this drone video, we discover Kushadasi, Turkey's gateway to the Aegean Sea. Savor Kushadasi's beauty from the sky and find out why travelers from Europe and cruise ships from afar flock to this coastal town. Kushadasi is a modern resort town about 25 minutes drive to Ephesus, one of the best preserved ancient cities in the world. That proximity makes Kushadasi an attractive location for tourists and cruise passengers. As one of Turkey's busiest cruise ports, thousands of travelers stop by Kushadasi each season. Ships dock at the Aegean port, and almost immediately you step into a shopping center and a vibrant town square. Along the promenade, you get a good view of the cruise liners and the Med while strolling or just chilling in one of the spots in the area. Near the marina is the Bird Island, an iconic landmark famous for its historical significance and its fascinating beauty. It thus has a castle, a 13th century fortress, beautiful gardens and views of the Aegean, and is also a popular stop for bird migration, which is how the island and the town of Kushadasi got their names. A short drive away will bring you to the Ladies' Beach, a beach once reserved for women and now open to the public. It features a lively promenade lined with palm trees, vibrant cafes and restaurants. Indeed, it's a bustling area where you can enjoy a stroll, grab a bite or shop for souvenirs. What is a resort town without resorts? You can find them all over Kushadasi, from entry-level to seasonal upscale hotels overlooking the Aegean Sea. With a variety of facilities, Kushadasi offers something for every traveler. Kushadasi offers more than just views. It is a near-perfect escape from the beginning of the cold season in Europe. Beaches with crystal clear waters, bazaars filled with spices and Turkish delights, and dining along the waterfront with views of the Mediterranean, an experience that surely will last a lifetime. Whether you arrive by sea or air, Kushadasi invites you to slow down and discover a town where ancient history combines perfectly with modern outlook. So that's it for the drone video of Kushadasi. What do you like best about the resort town? Please let me know in the comment section. After this drone video of Kushadasi, do subscribe if you want to see more drone videos of exciting holiday locations. Indeed, you should check out this drone video of Rhodes Island, a popular tourist destination in Greece. Click here to watch it now.